Hey guys, this is Jeffrey from Teddy Nissan, and today I will show you how to work the Apple CarPlay on the 2020 Nissan Rogue. So the first thing you do is take your iPhone, connect it to the USB, then it will ask you for permission. You'll allow it. Once you allow it, the Apple CarPlay will show up in the screen. So what this allows you to do is play your favorite music, either from Spotify, Pandora, or your Apple Music. If you need to use navigation, you can either use your Apple Maps, your Google Maps, or your Waze. Also, texting and calling is hands-free, controlled by Siri. All you gotta do is press and hold this button right here. Call Teddy Nissan.
Calling Teddy Nissan. Mobile.
If you want to know more about the 2020 Nissan Rogue, come visit us at Teddy Nissan, your huggable dealer.
Brought to you by Teddy Nissan, the huggable dealer. 3660 Boston Road, Bronx, New York, and online at teddynissan.com.